Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we will be discussing the sixth pranayam technique known as the Udgeeth Pranayama or the Omkari Japa Pranayama. As the word itself says, this is a pranayam where we recite the mantra Om. The mantra Om is a great mantra to really relax the entire body and the mind. This pranayam works beautifully just to calm the entire body down, the nervous system down, and bring a great feeling of peace and calm within. It's similar to any form of recitation or expression from the mouth, be it singing, be it rhythmic recitation. So the benefits are pretty much the same. It really brings about a surge of energy from within. It puts a glow on your face and it makes you very, very peaceful and happy. So how do we do this? So in this pranayam, we recite the mantra Om, where the O of the mantra is 3 times longer than the M. So I'll just demonstrate this for you. So we inhale deeply from the nostrils and we exhale while reciting the mantra Om. So inhaling deeply, Om. So doing this about 10 to 15 times at our own pace, a great practice to really calm the entire body down, calming the mind, calming the body, calming the entire nervous system. The O sound, which comes from the throat, is supposed to be a sound of the universe. The O sound is supposed to activate our energy centers and really calm the entire body. The of the M, which resembles the sound of a humming bee, is supposed to trigger nerves in the upper area of our body, really relaxing these nerves. So relaxing the mind, relaxing the forehead, and relaxing just your entire being. A very relaxing pranayam to reduce any form of anxiety, depression, fear, any form of anger that comes up or irritation. So instantly when we recite Om, or if you want to just sing, even singing the mantra Om really helps calm the entire body down. So thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed learning about this pranayam, the Udgeeth Pranayama or the Omkari Japa Pranayama, and you can experience the benefits for yourself. So have a wonderful day and thank you so much once again for joining us. Bye-bye. Namaste.